Hi, welcome to part 5. So now we're going to do the A shape of the major scale. So here's our A chord, or A shape, and when we move it around, we get this kind of bar chord thing going. And so we're also going to do E major using this A shape. So here on the 7th fret. And I'm realizing that I should have, in the previous video, I should have done this shape, and in this video I should have done the C shape to stay consistent with the other previous videos. So, but it's okay. So here we're using the A shape, and let's play this major scale fingering in quarter notes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, so you'll notice that there's a few things you probably want to look at more closely for this fingering. So it starts on the 2nd finger, and when you get up here, so here's the octave, right, E, and then when you go to play the F sharp for the 2nd octave, you want to, instead of playing with your 2nd finger, you want to play with your 1st finger. And what that does is it sets you up to grab the A up here. So, and then your 1st finger on F sharp, 3rd finger on G sharp, 4th finger on A, and then 1st finger, and there's just C sharp. And if you want, you can grab D sharp up there too if you want, but for our purposes we'll just stop here at C sharp. So, and then back down, and then here you want to grab E with your 4th finger, and that'll set you up nicely going down the scale. And then for here you want to reach, and you can grab A and go back up to E. Good, so let's do 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... triplets. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and (16 notes? 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Good. So in this video and the previous video, both these major scale patterns have started on the 5th string. So we can add them together and we can play a big portion of the neck. You know, we're starting to learn the guitar as a whole as opposed to just like a single box, right? So if we add this scale to this one, we can do things like let's go up the C shape and come down the A shape. So what that would look like is this. Now let's do the opposite. Let's go up the E shape, the A shape, and come down the C shape. So yeah, the idea is you want to be able to switch whenever you want. So you know, if you're improvising or you're playing a melody, you just know where all these notes are no matter where your hand is on guitar, so you can switch between these positions, you know. Again, just messing around here, but you can see how you can start to add these two shapes and the major scales associated with them together. Great, so in the next video, we're going to take a look at the final shape, and that is the D shape.